everyone, it's Shalini. Welcome back. I really hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this is something which I've already worn for my friend's engagement ceremony which I attended about a week ago. It was so much fun, you know. They are my college mates and this was a love marriage. I was so happy to meet my old friends after so long. I think I was meeting some of them after 3 years or maybe more than that, and it was nice. So this is the look which I was wearing for the engagement function. This is the exact look except the lashes बहुत complicated दिख रहा होगा but बहुत easy इसे create करना. कुछ नए products भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी इस वीडियो में. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright everyone, so मैंने अपना skin care routine already कर लिया है. If you want to see the prepping which I did for my friend's wedding, click the I button and go watch it. That is my previous video which I posted on my channel. Moving on to makeup now. Okay, the first thing that I will be doing on my face is applying a primer. For that I'm using this Aquaholic priming moisturizer by Sugar. This is a hydrating primer और अभी भोपाल में ठंड पड़ने लगी है, ठीक है. So I was in need of a hydrating primer, so I chose this one. I'm going to be taking this much only, massaging it between my fingers and then mostly focusing on my T-zone area and then rest of my face. So it is not a pore filling primer. It is just going to make sure that my makeup is going to stick properly on my face. जो foundation concealer apply करूँगी ना मैं अपने face पे, वो अच्छे से मेरे face पे बैठेगा. Next step, I'm going to color correct around my lips only, this part. For that I'm using this orange color corrector by LOreal. So I'm taking some on my fingers, this much, dabbing it around my lips, and then with the help of my fingers only I'm gonna blend it. This is gonna make sure my foundation won't look ashy around my lips because I have some pigmentation around my lips. And with the help of this same color corrector I'm gonna brush it over the areas जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे dark spots दिख रहे हैं ना, black spots, से कलर करेक्ट करूंगी मैं. Okay, so the color correction is done. I'm gonna wait for at least 1 minute. I want this product to set on my face first ताकि ये foundation के साथ mix up ना हो जाए, ठीक है. Okay, 1 minute is done. Next up I will be applying foundation. For that I went for this foundation. This is M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid and this is in the shade NC42 and this is NC45. Okay, so M.A.C ने मुझे NC45 भेजा था मेरे PR पे and I already own the shade NC42 which is lighter for me. So I'm gonna be mixing this together and I will be making my own shade. So आप लोग मुझसे पूछते रहते हो that Shalini, what is your M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid shade? So I think I'm between NC42 and NC45. That is for sure. Okay, if you want to see a review on this product, let me know. So let's just mix them together. First I'm going to take NC42 in the back of my hand. And now you guys will ask me कि Shalini ये वाला foundation ही क्यों use किया? It is a very lightweight foundation and it is also hydrating on the skin and that is what I wanted. Okay, and ये oxidize भी नहीं होता है. So NC42 and NC45. Let's see guys. I think I need more NC45. Okay, so I just added some more NC45 and I think this will match me. So I'm gonna dot it all over my face like that. And then using my foundation brush by Sani, I'm gonna pat it into my skin. यहाँ पे मुझे एक्ने हुआ था, उसका मार्क अभी तक विजिबल है. I'm trying to hide it. Let's just leave it there for a while. Now to color correct under my eyes and for concealer, I'm going to be using LOreal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And over my eyelid also I'm going to be applying it. मैंने बहुत ही कम product use किया है. Now using my concealer brush pack 272, I'm going to blend this concealer and also this product that we applied. अभी हम एक highlighter sheet भी use करेंगे concealer का to highlight the T-zone area and under our eyes. Now I'm using old mascara wand and brushing my eyebrows in the upward direction. I'm going to be filling my eyebrows now. उसके लिए मैं ये कर रही हूँ. And to fill my eyebrows I'm using this BOLLYGLOW eyebrow pencil. Using the product side I'm going to apply it. I feel like you have seen me do this step like million times already. So I like to focus product mostly in here and very little in here. ठीक है. I still want to make them look like eyebrows. मुझे ऐसा stamp जैसा दिखाना नहीं है. Now to set my eyebrows in place, I'm using this NYX Professional Tinted Eyebrow Mascara in the shade Black. So मैं ऊपर के stroke में हल्के हाथों से जा रही हूँ. Okay, moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using this palette. This is Makeup Revolution Tammi X Revolution Tropical Eyeshadow Palette. It has some really beautiful, colorful eyeshadows in here and I'm going to be using this two colors from this palette. So सबसे पहले मैं use कर रही हूँ this beautiful red undertone shimmer brick color. It's so pretty, you all. Just look at that. So I'm going to be applying this directly on my eyelid, like pressing it all over my eyelid actually. Crease पे नहीं जा रही हूँ, सिर्फ eyelid पे apply कर रही हूँ इसको. And you have to make sure कि आपने अपने eyes को set नहीं किया है. जो concealer है ना, उसी के ऊपर हम apply कर रहे हैं. And I also wanted some reflex of bronze or gold on my eyes to go with my outfit which I'm wearing. क्योंकि मेरे outfit में ना हल्का सा sequin work है. So I went for this bronze color. I'll be picking this in different finger, ठीक है, and going over that. And again I'm going over with my red. Okay, so this is the color that I got. And now I'm using this palette. This is Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. It has some beautiful transition shades. So I'll be using this transition color, which is a matte eyeshadow, and I'm using PAC 217 brush to pick this transition color, tapping up the excess. And I'm gonna apply it on my crease, blending the edges with this color and flicking it यहाँ पे. Okay, next time I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer again under my eyes. I feel like मैंने बहुत कम apply किया था. And using my concealer brush to blend it. Now I'm using Plum NaturStudio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal in the shade Black Brilliance. I'm applying this as an eyeliner. You don't have to make it perfect क्योंकि हम इसे वैसे भी smudge करने वाले हैं हल्का सा. And also tight lining my upper waterline. And then using a flat eyeshadow brush, this is by Sani again, I'm gonna blend the edges of this. Applying the same kajal on my lower waterline. And now to smudge this kajal, I'm going to be using two matte shades, mixing this two color. This is like a dark dusty red color and this is like a pink color, tapping up the excess. And the brush that I'm using is Pro Arte PE29. And now I'm going to highlight under my eyes. For that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25. Starting with the inner corner and then outer corner and my T-zone area. And using my concealer brush again, I'm gonna blend it. Okay, now I'm using my brush जिससे हमने crease color blend किया था. I'm not making it precise. I just want to make sure कि the flick is there. Going over with my lid colors again, just to intensify them. So far so good. I'll be applying falsies though. For my inner corner highlight, I went for this Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to pick up this product. Just applying this under my eyebrow. Okay, for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. Also applying this mascara in here, नीचे वाले eyelashes पे. And I just realized that I forgot to set under my eyes. Okay. कोई बात नहीं, अभी मस्कारा लगा के 1 मिनट रुक के सेट करेंगे. Okay, to set under my eyes, I'm using a translucent powder. This is by K by Katrina. And I'm using Wet n Wild P65 brush to pick up this product. Tapping up the excess. I'm going to set under my eyes. And we have to be careful क्योंकि हम already mascara apply कर चुके हैं. And we don't want to mess that up. Also my T-zone area, around my nose, my chin and around my mouth क्योंकि मैं मास्क पहनूंगी, right? So I want to make sure कि मेरा फाउंडेशन मेरे मास्क पे ट्रांसफर ना हो जाए. And one last time I'm using my pencil brush and picking this pink color only, tapping up the excess and applying this on my lower lash line. For my eyelashes, I'll be using Mia eyelashes by RENEE. This is in Fallback. Look at them. They are so beautiful, you all. So I'll be applying this off camera. I'm not comfortable applying eyelashes on camera. मैं आपको already बता चुकी हूँ. And the eyelashes are on and you must be like, oh my god, Shalini, these eyelashes are so dramatic. I know that. I was going for some drama. Now you all know that कि after applying the eyelashes, I always like to use a black eyeliner to cover up this part. जो कि skin visible है हल्की हल्की सी. So I'm using a black eyeliner to do that. Moving on to contour and blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Blake and Blot palette in the shade Deep Dark. I'm using this brush by Pro Arte PF14. Picking this product, tapping up the excess, starting from here, then blending it. Also my forehead. on other side of my face, my jawline also. And to contour my nose, I'm going to be using a smaller brush, and I'm going to be creating 2 straight lines starting from my inner corners till the tip of my nose, like that, and 1 line here, and I will blend it. For blush, I'm using Deborah Milano blush in the shade Apricot in this Wet n Wild brush. बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से I'm applying this product on my cheeks. Okay, and I'm blending it into my contour. On my chin also I'm applying this, and also on my nose. And using my translucent powder, I'm going to be carving the contour and blush that we applied. For lipstick, इसके साथ nude lipstick बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, but I really wanted to wear a dark lipstick or a bold lipstick, a statement color basically, and I went for a combination of this two. So this is a nude color, this is NYX Lingerie in the shade Exotic, and then I'm applying Cherry Darling over it. And with the help of my lip brush, I'm blending them together. Okay guys, I might have slightly overlined my lips, but it's okay, don't come for me, okay? Okay, next up I'm going to be applying this highlighter Champagne Pop. For that I'm using this brush. This is a random brush. And for my nose, I'm using a smaller brush to have more control. And using that same highlighter, I'm going to be highlighting my collarbones. And lastly, I'm using this Smashbox Primer Water to set my face. I'm going to fan my face now. So this was a makeup which I was wearing for my friend's engagement ceremony. If you're a bride, bridesmaid or wedding guest, you can definitely go for this look. This is such a wearable look. If you want to, you can go for nude lips, but I went for a statement bold color. Nighttime ka function tha us din. And on that note, this was the video for today, you all. I really hope you found today's video informative and helpful. If you liked today's video, then give this video a thumbs up. If you did not, then thumbs down, okay? And comment down below, let me know if you want to see SEO content on my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will mean a lot to me. You have no idea how much it will mean to me. And I will see you all next time with brand new content for this channel. Bye bye.